Hello everyone! Today we'll see the correct way to apply halftone to a black t-shirt. This method is the best way to prevent the shirt from looking like a piece of plastic. Let's get started. First, we go to image size and change the resolution to 300. I'll explain why later, then click OK. Next, we duplicate the layer, select New, and click OK. This will open in a new window. Now we'll apply the halftone. We'll go to Image, Mode, Grayscale, Discard, then Image, Adjustments, Levels. This is the tricky part, and you should take your time adjusting it for each image. Then go to Image, Bitmap, and Halftone Screen. That's why I said the resolution should be 300. Click OK. For angle, we'll set it to 22.5, frequency 35, and shape round. You can choose whatever shape you want based on your design. I'll explain these in another video. As you can see, the halftone effect has been applied. Now for the final step, we'll press Ctrl+A to make selections, then Ctrl+C to copy the layer. We'll go back to the first design, then mask the layer, press Alt and click, then Ctrl+V, then click anywhere. We'll see the black layer disappear and the halftone effect will be successfully applied. It's suitable for printing on a t-shirt. If you like the video, support me with a like and subscribe to receive new content.